Hare Krishna. Today I am going to talk about the 14 samskaras. The first samskara is Garbhadana samskara. This is a ceremony that is performed during conception. The second samskara is Punsavana samskara. This is a samskara to ensure that the child is coming as a great soul. The next samskara is Jatakarna samskara. This is a samskara that is related to all the birth ceremonies like the putting on the scared thread, etc. The next ceremony is Namakarna Samskara. Namakarna Samskara is giving the child a name. The next samskara is Nishkarna Samskara. This samskara is the occasion where the baby for the first time leaves the house. The next samskara is Annaprasana Samskara. This is the first time when the child is eating some boiled rice or grains. The next samskara is Chudakarna Samskara. This is the samskara where the hair is cut of the child. First it is cut by the father and it is then followed by cut by the barber. The next is Karna Veda Samskara. Karna Veda Samskara is piercing of earlobe in place where earrings are placed. Next is Vidyarambha Samskara. This is the first time the child leaves home and goes to Gurukula. The next Samskara is Upayana Samskara, where the child is initiated to a Hindu school to learn the scriptures and other studies. The next samskara is Sanavatana. This is a samskara of graduation from formal studies to grihastha or married life. The next samskara is Vivaha Samskara. Vivaha Samskara is a samskara where the child is married to the member of opposite sex. The next is Antaveshti Samskara. This is the ceremony performed, or it is known as funeral, which is performed at the death of a person. These 14 samskaras are very important in our life to help us connect to Krishna. These samskaras ensure that we are connected to Krishna and our responsibility as a parent or a student is fulfilled. Hare Krishna.